Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Oppo A57s, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate how you can set up the Fingerprint Unlock method. So open Settings, then enter the Password and Security category. In here you'll find the respective the field that is responsible for setting up the Fingerprint Unlock. Prior to enrolling any biometric way of locking or unlocking the screen respectively, it is required that you also set up some backup screen lock method to go alongside it from the list of available methods of numeric pattern or alphanumeric passwords. I'll go with pattern, then draw it, then redraw it to confirm. After that, you can start enrolling the fingerprint. The sensor is located at the side power button, so lay and lift your finger onto the scanner. Make sure to slightly rotate it, and if needed, hold it at the button for a second or so. You can also follow this little visual clues to understand which particular zone of fingerprint needs to be scanned at each iteration. And just like so, we have successfully added our fingerprint, which we can now use to unlock the screen. Great success. The next feature that I wanted to highlight today is located at the display and brightness category, so let me quickly enter it. It is called the eye comfort mode, and once enabled, as you will see now, it basically reduces the blue light amount that you receive from your display by tinting the screen amber. So in here you have the adjustable bar that allows you to change the color temperature from cool all the way up to warm. You can set up some custom schedule for this mode to be automatically turned on and off respectively, as well as make the interface completely black and white like so, if you want to, of course. The next option for this video is located at the accessibility category. So in order to access it, you gotta enter the system settings, then go for the accessibility. It is called the magnification tool. It can be found in the vision section. And once you enable the shortcut for it, it provides you with an opportunity to zoom into things. So let's say you are scrolling the web and would like to read some very tiny text, or you have some big image and you want to see some details of it and zoom into the picture itself, or whatever is that you wanted to see better. So once you're ready to zoom, just tap on this little shortcut, then tap on the particular part of your screen that you want to magnify, then magnify more if needed by doing the following swipe. In order to decrease the magnification scale, make the shrinking swipe like so. In order to exit the magnification, tap on the shortcut. There is also the second mode in which it works, a more convenient one if you'd ask me. In order to switch it, tap on this little button over here. You'll get this movable window. In order to move it, hold it and drag it over here, which will not use the entire screen as magnification. Will not zoom into the entire surface of your screen, but will provide you with this little moving zone that only gets magnified and zoomed. Inside it, you can also make the same swipes we did previously to change the scale of magnification like so. And in order to exit it, you've got to also tap on the shortcut again. The next tip, it's a small one. As you can see, right now I'm not able to see how much battery I have left exactly, so I do not have the battery percentage at the status bar. In order for me to get this data, I need to enter the battery category, and in here I'll be able to see that I have my power at 33% currently. So in order to make the battery percentage visible at the status bar, either inside or below, right next to the battery icon, you have to enter the status bar and notification category, then status bar, and turn on, the toggle, at the battery percentage section, either set it to be visible inside or outside battery icon. You can also change the battery style if you want to make it vertical, for example, and then turn on this toggle. The same goes for the loop design of battery icon, or you can just make the icon invisible and instead leave the percentage only. Alrighty, so the fifth and final tip is how you can change the system navigation type between gestures and digital buttons. That's an old school way of navigating through your system. As you can see, up until this point in the video, I've been using gestures. In order to change it, go for the system settings, system navigation, and switch it to buttons or back to gestures respectively. So once at the buttons, you can also change the order in which they are present at the bottom of your screen, if you would like to. And once at the gestures, you can either undergo a tutorial that will teach you all the gestures that you can use, as well as customize its preference. So hide or unhide the gestures, guide bar, vibrate on the back navigation, switch, enable or disable the switch to previous app gesture, turn on or turn off the mistouch prevention, and as I've already mentioned, you can also undergo the gestures guide. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.